Hey there, future super affiliate. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of building a seven-figure affiliate marketing empire? Welcome to Super Affiliate Academy, where your dreams of financial freedom become reality. Imagine having access to the exact blueprint used by two Comma Club award winners to create multi-million-dollar businesses. Well, stop imagining because it's all here, waiting for you. Let's dive into what you'll get when you join us today. Weekly success boosters, fresh, cutting-edge training to keep you ahead of the competition. Daily motivation injections, action-packed video content to skyrocket your progress. Turnkey profit systems, step-by-step processes that generate income while you sleep. Million-dollar secrets, exclusive strategies used by six-figure earners, now at your fingertips. Passive income streams, tap into monthly recurring commissions that grow your wealth automatically. Power networking, connect with fellow entrepreneurs and watch your influence soar. This isn't just a community, it's your launchpad to financial freedom. We're calling all action takers and dream chasers. The best part? You get lifetime access to the largest, most engaged affiliate community on Skool, absolutely free. That's right, no catch, no hidden fees, just pure value waiting for you to seize it. By joining today, you'll instantly unlock full SAA access worth $997. Bonus live calls, normally $497 per month. Free action taker, gift valued at $197. Advanced strategies, priceless. Custom affiliate program, priceless. Don't let another day pass you by. Your future self is begging you to take action now. Click the link in the description to join Super Affiliate Academy for free and launch your profitable affiliate business today. Your journey to financial freedom starts with this one simple click. Remember, in affiliate marketing, the early bird gets the commission. Don't wait. Your empire is waiting to be built.